Hi, and welcome to Highness Family Favorites. Today I'm going to be finishing our series on how to make the perfect grilled corn. So I have these corn on the cob. They have been soaking in the sink all day. Probably 2 hours minimum is what I would recommend. And then to prep them for the final grilling on our outdoor propane grill, you're just going to cut the ends off and then we will throw them right onto the grill. And it is definitely okay to pull off these outer leaves and get that all ready to grill. All right, and last but not least, if you get that high enough, these outer leaves should just peel right off. All right, and now these are good to go on our outdoor grill. All right, now we are going to make a nice herb butter for our corn on the cob. And to do that, I'm going to put in 2 sticks of butter. Okay, and now I'm going to add some spices to the mix. We're going to get out 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, about a teaspoon here of our basil, and then about a tablespoon of parsley. And then I'm going to use this fork and cream it all together. And now we're going to go get the corn and slather this butter on it and then dip it in some Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and get that off the grill, and then we'll take it inside. We'll finish peeling off all of the leaves, and then we'll smother it in some butter and some Parmesan cheese. It's gonna be good. And we are ready to put the toppings on. So I'm gonna take this and just peel. It's gotten cool for just a minute or so since I pulled it off the grill, so it's still nice and hot. But the silk and everything does come off easier. Don't mind the flying silk as we pull that off. Then I'm just gonna pull that off the end. That is toasty. So we're going to use some of this herb butter that we made earlier, and we're just going to slather it. Okay. All right. And from here, we're going to roll it in some Parmesan cheese. To finish this off, we're just going to sprinkle it with some paprika and some dried parsley. For more delicious recipes, check out our website at highnessfamilyfavorites.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss another recipe.